the AI-enabled organization. How can we think about what can AI do then for me and for my organization, and how might organizations change in the future? And here I would have normally again an interactive part. So when you think about the organization you are working in, where do you stand with your AI? Would you say you have not started? Who hasn't started? Who's thinking of applying AI? A couple of you. Who is using already some AI, and who is a heavy user of AI? A couple of you. Okay. So I also want to give you a different mindset to think about artificial intelligence. So when we're thinking about AI, we're always thinking about this kind of like building new cool stuff with artificial intelligence. And in order to kind of like explain the AI ecosystem, so all the companies that are kind of like making money in the field of AI, there's kind of like a model, and you might know kind of like this layer model. It's very similar to the layer model. So what you have at the bottom is kind of like the infrastructure and talent model. Like, take this away and you can't do artificial intelligence. So what do you need? You need the data to train your model. You need the computing power, right? So this is why a company like NVIDIA is making billions, because they are at the moment the only one who are seemingly able to provide compute at scale. And then obviously you need those experts. So if you think about it, how do organizations look like in this field? I mean, expertise, you have the universities, you have now coding boot camps that bring you experts, and through all the layers they are important. Then you have kind of like the core AI technology layer. These are companies such as OpenAI providing you with those basic AI models that you can now use more and more commonplace in exchange for the best model that you want to use. Then you have, this is where it gets interesting, you have the application layer. So where kind of like the things are really applied to specific problems, specific solutions. This is what we call application layers, so where you contact with direct users. And then you have something in between, what you call kind of like normally the mid layer, or the AI development enabled layer. So kind of like no code.